Hi everyone, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at ferro rods. Does size matter? You might have heard that a few times in your life, but we're going to take a quick look. Standard ferro rod size, the world's biggest ferro rod size. So let's take a look. Does size matter? It's all about how you use it. Thanks for watching everyone. Please hit the subscribe and please hit the like, only if you want to, it keeps the channel going. But yeah, let's take a look and let's use these two and see which one. I was going to say which one we prefer, but let's just crack on with lighting it. So here we are. Does size matter? We're going to take a look at the little ferro rod and the world's biggest ferro rod. I've got some pre-prepared stuff here, so we'll just take a look and just see what they're like for lighting and things like that. So we'll just go for a normal size just now and we'll see. So I've got some firewood dust, and I think we'll put a little bit of jute cord on that, and like I said, does size matter? Well, let's have a look. That's the Tops SXB. I will do, can't actually get it all in the shot, but we'll do another video on this. But we'll just prep up some jute twine, rough it up a wee bit, and we'll see. So the normal size we all have. A nice little light there. There we have it. So that took a light, nice and light, just with our normal size one, and we'll see what difference a big rod makes. So let's fluff this up. In fact, we'll use a fresh end so that nobody can say, well, that was charred, that'll lit quicker. So let's get this fluffed up. Fibre on there, and then let's see. Dun dun dun! Let's get the beast out. So, well, bigger seem to have lit quicker. So it might well be better. Maybe all those tales of bigger isn't better are false. We've lived our life on lies. Nice little burn going there. I just love the smell of fatwood. So that was just a quick look at what was best, bigger or normal. I'll let you decide on that. It was just a little bit of fun, tongue in cheek. But yeah, that's the large ferro rod. That was by a YouTuber, Nathan4071. I won that about 2 years ago, believe it or not, in a competition on YouTube. So that's the reason behind that. In theory, that should last you an absolute lifetime. It throws some mammoth sparks, and then just a normal ferro rod. So yeah, I'll leave it up to you whether you purchase one or not. Like I said, I won this one, so that's why I would never purchase one as such. It's got a secondary choice as a club. Might need a club, yeah. but yeah. So there you go. Normal and the world's largest ferro rod. Thanks for watching, everyone. Just a bit of fun. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your week ahead, and stay safe out there. Del out.